Hi, what's up everybody, I'm Shak from MOKY Designs and this is the part 3 of episode 1. In this part, I'll cover the chapter number 8 which is services section. This part will be a little tricky and something different than the previous one. I'm sure you will learn something new from this tutorial, so make sure to watch the video till to the very last. Before moving on, I want to request you to click on like, subscribe and bell to all icon for my motivation. So let's start the video. So first of all, we have to create some templates in Elementor. So click on template, add new, copy the name of first service which is business automation. Then paste it here and then select the section from drop down. Close this panel from here. Then create a new single section. Then from widget, drag the inner section widget. Delete one column. Then search for image box and drag it in the column. Upload all the icons on the WordPress website. Then select this one. Replace the heading with business automation. Then copy the description and paste it here. Then drag the icon widget click on upload SVG and then upload the right arrow icon. Then increase the spacing of icon a little bit and set the width to 15 pixels. Then change the color of heading and arrow to primary color. And change the description font to Poppins. Then click on this edit column icon, go to style and background color to white. Add box shadows value to 0, 0, 13, -10 and 0.34. Then go to advanced and add padding around 15 pixels. And we have to add the border radius to 20 pixels. And then click on publish. I'll exit to dashboard. We'll create 5 more boxes like this. I have created all these boxes. Now we will add these boxes to our main website. Drag the inner section widget and delete one column. Now we will add these headings, so I'll copy it from here. And then replace the text. Align it on right side. Then click on section and add the padding around 100 pixels on right and left and 15 pixels on top and bottom. Then copy the heading and replace the text. Align it on right and add break after business word. Then drag the inner section widget and add padding in the section around 100 pixels on right and left and 15 pixels on top and bottom. Duplicate one column and then search for content box. Drag this inner content box in the first column. Then enable this use save template option and then choose the business automation. Go to style, effect to none, background color to transparent, and padding to 0. Then duplicate the box and then change the real-time spot. Similarly, duplicate it in other column and change the template to required temps. Let's fix these bit pieces. Add padding around 20 pixels. Border type to none. We have to remove this shadow on hover, so click on hover and reset this box shadow. I'll do the same for others. Let's check it. It's looking something fine now. Let's fix this icon. Open the business automation template. and increase the width to around 34%. Let's reload the main website. It's fixed now. Let's tweak the padding around 140 pixel on right and left section. Set the top and bottom padding of heading to 30 pixels and 140 pixels to right and left. Let's displace the column. I'll add 100 pixels of margin on second column and 150 pixels for the third column. It's looking fine now. Let's set the padding to 0. Yeah, perfect. Chapter 8 has also done, and this is enough for part 3, and I'll see you in the next part. Thank you.